Welcome back, people. We're back with another video on the A20F electric fat bike, 500 watt motor. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of battery hack maintenance. It's more, I wouldn't really say so much a hack, but yeah, it's more maintenance. But anyway, so what we're going to be doing is first taking out the battery. So we have to twist the key by pushing the key up as well, because if we don't do that, oh, that was a good catch. If we don't do that, then we can't get it out. So some people don't know that, so I'm going to quickly explain real quick and then we'll move on to it. So here you can see that this part here is sticking out. Now if we twist that, as you can see, it doesn't go all the way in, it's still sticking out. So if you want to take the battery out of the frame itself, out of the bike, turn the key, make sure you push the key in, and as you can see, that part there goes in. Hopefully you can see that going in. And then if we twist, as you can see, now it's gone all the way in. So that's how you take the battery actually out when it's in the frame, because if you turn it and then take the key out and try to pull it out, it can't come out. I've shown this before on the electric same bike that we had, and it's the same way. So push the key in, so you can see the lock go in, twist, and then obviously there's gone in. Okay, so there's that. Let's just take that out for a minute. Yeah, I don't really need that. Okay, so I'm going to put the key to one side for the moment. So when you're riding this electric bike, it happened with the same bike as well, where I do a lot of off-roading and I'm up and down curbs, and yeah, you hear the rattling sound of plastic. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. Now you can get different types of Velcro and stick it on and all that, but today I'm going to do a little bit something different. I'm going to do exactly what I did with the same bike. So this model is a 36 volt 10.4 amp battery. It's China brand. Unfortunately, it's not LG or Panasonic, which would be a lot better. But anyway, that's the battery that came with the bike that I purchased. So that's what we're going to do. Good old fashioned, as you can see, I got a few of them. Good old fashioned electrical tape. Now this you can buy from Halfords. You can buy it online on eBay. Just type in electrical tape. You can even buy it from your local local tool shop, something like that. But they're not very expensive. I paid for 6 rolls of these electrical tapes. They come in different colours: red, blue, green and black. And I bought them, I think it's about £4 for 6 rolls, so pretty good. So this is what we're going to do to try and stop that sound of plastic. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We show lots of different electric bikes and electric scooters. We do ride tests, and if we have any problems with any of the electric bikes or scooters, and then of course we do the repairs, and all of those repairs we put onto the channel as well. We do have a playlist of e-bikes and electric scooters, so if you're looking for something else in Pacific, have a look. So far we've done the speed hack, the unboxing on this electric fat bike. The speed hack, I've changed all the P settings, and I've changed to put new pedals on. I'm still waiting for my new handlebars to turn up. I'm going to show a separate video of me installing the pedals and the handlebars, but I'm still waiting on those handlebars. So anyway, there's one strip. So this is going to be a pretty simple job, to be honest, but you just need quite a bit of an electrical tape. Okay, so I normally put 2 layers on all over. So there's 2 layers on that side, and then we're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. You kind of get the idea of this, but why am I using electrical tape when I can use Velcro and stuff like that? Well, the sticky Velcro, not only they come off sometimes, but of course if that got too hot, it wouldn't be very good. Whereas if electrical tape, it can stand some sort of heat. And to be honest, it's not really the they don't really get insanely hot, if I'm honest. yeah, they don't get really hot. I'm going to put another one there. So you can put as much on this as you want. Obviously you don't want to go too over the top, because if you put too much on, then you're not going to be able to fit it back into the bike. So it's up to you if you want to do 3 or 4 layers. I normally go with 2, sometimes 3, 2 or 3 layers, and then I take it out for a ride, and normally that fixes it. But if I did hear any rattling, and then of course I would then add more of this electrical tape. It looks a little bit messy, but you can't really see it because it's inside the bike. And I always charge, I did it with the same bike. Some people say that you can't charge these batteries when they're inside the bike. Well, I've always done that. That's just my way of charging, rather than me keep taking the battery out every single time. Of course, each to their own. It's up to you if you charge the battery in or out of the bike. If you've got any comments at all on this video or anything to do with electric bikes, I can try my best to try and help you out. So do leave it in the comment section below, and I will try and get back to you. And of course, if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like as well. Alright, so there's that side. Bring it over. Let's do this side. So I'm making this bit a little bit longer, so that way I'm covering the bottom part of the battery as well. So with the bottom of the battery, I don't go too mad with it, but I do make sure that I cover the whole entire bottom, because sometimes there is a little bit of a gap up the top. Trying to keep you guys in camera view. It's got a hard from, there you go. Hold it with your legs, Bubbles. There we go. Try and get the camera angle right so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so now we've done that, I just put one over that way, break it off. Alright, so there it is. There's that part. So that was pretty quick, if I'm honest, but I'm now just going to put a little bit coming around here, a few around there, just to thicken that part up. So it looks like we're probably going to need at least 2 rolls to do this then. And this is going to help keep the other tape in place as well. Oh, end up lifting that tape up there. Oh, camera's off. Doesn't have to look perfect, doesn't have to be perfect. This tape is almost gone. Yep, there's the end of it. Okay, let's get some more. So I don't want to cover the writing of this battery neither, just so that way I know in the future what battery I have here. So I'm going to have a little bit of a gap there. There we go. And then one more down here. Then I'm going to put the battery in and make sure it's not too stiff. I can actually get it in there. It's not too much of a struggle to get it in. And make sure that it's nice and snug in there. So there it is. Pretty straightforward. Looks a little bit basic and messy, but it does the job. All right, so we want to put it back in. So obviously this part is facing the outer part. Make sure you do that correctly. Okay. There we go. That's quite snug already. Have to actually wiggle that to get that in there. So that's perfect, and it's staying in by itself. I think the only one part I will put more tape on is probably here, because it's not that snug there to get in. So let's put on a little bit more. The more snug it is in there, of course you don't want to make it really impossible to get the battery back out, but you do want it quite nice and snug. And then if you have it nice and snug, it's not going to rattle around. At this point, I'm just getting a little bit happy with the tape. Okay, there we go. That's going to make it, yeah, quite nice and tight there. Give that good push, and there we go. That's it. It actually stays in there as well without dropping out. So we put the key in the bottom, and then we turn it so the lock part has now come out. So that's it. Yeah, as I said, it's not really so much a hack, it's more a little bit of maintenance that I'm doing here, just to stop it rattling around whilst I'm riding. Anyway, keep an eye out for more videos on this electric bike coming very soon. Us taking it on-road, off-road, uphill, downhill, and putting this bike to the test, see what it can actually really do. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Leave your comments below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.